When you're uploading a story on Instagram, you can hide it from anyone you want. In this video, we'll explain how to hide your Instagram story from specific people. First, open the Instagram app. Then, at the bottom, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on your profile photo. Once you do, you'll see 3 lines at the top. Click those lines. After that, scroll down, and you'll find an option labeled "Who can see your content?" Under that, there's an option called Hide Story and Live. Tap on that. When you tap it, you'll see an option that says Hide Story and Live From. Click it, and you'll see a list of everyone in your contacts. From there, you can pick whoever you want to hide your story from. In my case, there's only one contact, so I'm selecting that one. Then, hit the Done button. Once you do, if you upload a story, that person won't see it, but others will. If you want to hide it from someone not in your contacts, you can search for them too. For example, I'm searching for a profile, and you can select it if you want. Here, I'm picking this profile, even though this person doesn't follow me. After that, tap the Done button. Now, you'll see 2 profiles selected. If I upload a story, those people won't see it. That's how you can easily hide your story from anyone on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.